All right, so I'm just going to go underneath the car and show you the locations of all of the body bushings. There's 7 on each side, so a total of 14. The first one is right underneath the radiator, at that, or I guess to the side of the radiator. So there's number 1. And then 2 and 3 are here really close to each other. There's 2. There's 3. Number 4 is about halfway down between the wheels. Number 5 is in front of the rear wheel. Right here. Number 6 is right behind the rear wheel. Number 7 is back here behind the fuel tank. So it makes a total of 7 on each side, 14 total. And you'll just work one side at a time. You'll loosen them, but not remove all of them. You'll remove all on one side, leave the others on the other side, get all of them off on one side, put them back in on the side you're working on, and then move to the other side. So I hope that helps with body bushings. It's kind of a long process, but not too difficult. There's a good chance that you will break a bolt or round off a square nut. That kind of becomes kind of a tough situation that you'll just have to figure out. This one here behind the rear wheel on the passenger side of mine, the area in the trunk had rusted out, so I had to put a new panel in that I got from Ames Performance. Just cut it out and then welded it in, and it lined up really well and it worked really well. The bolt size on all of these body mounts is a 5/8. And they're going to be rusty and grimy, and that's one of the reasons it's really easy to turn those square nuts. Here's one of the old body mounts. There's one that sits on the bottom, and then one that sits between the frame and the body. And this one looks this is the square nut that rounded off or broke. I'm not sure what it did. Not allowing me to get it out. Yeah. So try to take this wire like we did before and wedge it in there against that square nut.
water wedged in there in a good spot. Got it. Washer. Alright, that was a pain to get out. This one's pretty easy to see. This is the one behind the rear tire. Gives an idea of exactly what it looks like. It's got a mount or bushing below the frame, and then another one between the frame and the body of the car. And these were all loosened before. Oh yeah. And then we'll lift this side of the car to just a little bit, few inches, just to be able to get the body mounts out and the new ones back in. The body mounts over on that side are all still in place. That way the car doesn't shift or move and make it more difficult to get the body mounts and body mount bolts back in. There's some separation in that body mount is loose. There is a little sleeve in there that's making it kind of hard to get out. I'm going to go just a little bit higher with the lift. Here's that upper mount. That's the sleeve. Just in really bad shape. Alright, that's one. So this is the body mount all kind of put together. You're going to reuse your factory bolts. That's the washer from the kit. That's the lower bushing. And then you have a sleeve. The frame will sit right inside here, and then you'll set these from the top, upper or bushing, and then the other washer that came with the kit.
So that's kind of it. Comment if you have any questions or any better suggestions, and please like and subscribe to our channel. We're trying to get some new content. It'll be all kind of different content. Some of it's going to be about this car. Some of it's going to be just out having fun and meeting new people. All right. Thank y'all so much.